Deploying DigitalOcean managed databases is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. To begin, you need to create a DigitalOcean account and set up a project. Once you have a project, navigate to the Manage Databases section and click on Create a Database Cluster. Choose the database engine you want to use, such as PostgreSQL, MySQL, or Redis, and select the cluster configuration that suits your needs. You can choose from a variety of plans, including Basic, Standard, and Premium, each with different performance characteristics and pricing. Next, select the data center region where you want to deploy your database cluster. DigitalOcean has data centers located around the world, so you can choose the one that is closest to your users or application. You can also choose the node size and number of nodes you want to use, depending on your performance and availability requirements. After configuring your cluster, click on Create a Database Cluster to deploy it. This will take a few minutes, during which time DigitalOcean will provision and configure your database nodes. Once the cluster is deployed, you can connect to it using a variety of methods, including the DigitalOcean console, a database client, or an application. To connect to your database cluster, you will need to obtain the connection details, including the hostname, port, username, and password. You can find these details in the DigitalOcean console, under the Connection Details section. You can then use these details to connect to your database cluster from your application or database client. Best practices for deploying DigitalOcean managed databases include monitoring your database performance and adjusting your cluster configuration as needed, using replication and backups to ensure high availability and data protection, and securing your database cluster with strong passwords and access controls. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily deploy a DigitalOcean managed database and start using it to support your applications and services. DigitalOcean managed databases provide a convenient and cost-effective way to deploy and manage databases in the cloud, without requiring extensive database administration expertise.